Hello friends, and today we're going to model this tricky little scissors. So the size of them is 16 by 6 centimeters. So basically I will start from corner box and I will drop it over here right before this thing and just try to match it to these things. That's good. I will put this one a little bit lower and make this type of cut here. And I will do the same one, but like this. So when I press Shift on this thing, it just gives me the same type of angle. And I just need to make it similar here. So I will take these things and just drop them up a little bit. Something like this. Yep. The extrusion of this thing. So I will take it and I will just make a little extrusion. I think on 3 millimeters will be okay. Maybe about 4. That will be much more than we need. And then I will make this thing visible through, and here I will put front so I could see through this thing. I will cut here one little edge because I need it to be extruded like that. And I will also do the same thing, but from the lower part. Take it like this, press E, take it like this, press G, Z, and drop it over here somewhere. And repeat this process with this part. So I will put it like that and extrude it here, like this. Nice. And now I will just perform a cut here, so it will match the whole thing. I will move it a little bit upper. And yeah, basically we have a first part of the mesh. And I will cut here a little hole. Like this, Ctrl R again over here. Like this. And just drop it on a GZ and put it low. So basically I need the same type of angle, but in the reverse. So I will just take this thing, do Alt X, press F for free, and I will just mirror it here. Good. So I will have a nice reverse thing. Now I can take this part here and I will drop E, move it here, and do a F, match face, and match it over here. That's going to be perfect. To create this look, the same thing that we have done multiple times, but with carabiners, I will just drop this and this thing and then just bevel it out a little bit. So yeah, let me just drop a line like that to have the reference for it. And I will drop it like this and till the ground. And now I will perform a cut. But I really think this thing should be a little bit higher. So it kinda gets a little bit of this portion here. Let's try C, cut, right click, and delete this thing. I don't need this one. And over here, yeah, I can just make it a little bit more like that, I think. Let's match it like that part. Or not so angry. Yeah, I think this is one that we are looking for. It's a little bit like that. Yes. Something like this type of thing here. And it's not 100% in friendship with this part, but it's something like that. Yes. And this is what I'm looking for. This is my shape. Maybe a little bit less. Maybe no. Yeah, something over here. You know, it doesn't match here, so I definitely want to move it a little bit like that and drop it a bit lower here. Yeah, like this. And maybe lower this part and make it lower a bit more. Yeah, something like this. This is the good story here. And now I will drop this thing, put it on G2 and make it more angrier here. I think it should be completely like that. Perfect. So here is my interesting shape here. Now let me try to create another part of it. And to make it perfectly, I think I need to take my profile here. I will just do a Shift D to make the profile actually here. We'll hide those, Alt H. And let's take this thing and offset it inside like that. Okay. Now I will delete this one, select this and bevel it like that. Bevel this brew like that and this one like that. That's cool. They're definitely not dissimilar. And this one I don't really care about. So yeah. The only thing I care here is about this. And I should GV, put it here, GX, and match it with this part. Yes. And now I can perform C and cut it and delete this. Okay. That already looks very good. And now I need to cut this one, so I will just drop this and GZ and just delete it. Cool. Let's create this thing here. This perfect arch. Maybe it's G2, maybe it's like that. Yeah, I think it's conic. It's pretty nice here. Like this. Whoa, cool shape. And let's drop here the circle, maybe, or actually let's Shift D this thing and rotate it on the Z-axis on 820. Yes, we will put it here. You know what, we can just do GV, put it here and match it with this thing. So here's my scissors. This part is definitely cut it out like that. Yeah, let me just adjust the low one over here. Good. And I need to cut it. So I'll do Shift D, C, cut, right click, and delete these things. Okay, but this part should be, let me just, Y, maybe I can just -1 it, like this, yeah. And put it here. Yes, something like this. And it definitely, this one definitely should be a little bit upper, and the lower one should be a little bit higher, I think. So they will be like this. So yeah, I can definitely take one of the parts, like the original one, and I will do a cut here so I can fit this inner part. Okay, I think it should be something like, yeah, let's try to do it like that. Somewhere in the center. Yes, and then do it like this. And I will just take this one, drop it here, GX, join, C, cut, right click, X. So yeah, I will basically take this part, I will move it over here a little bit, like that. And I will perform the cut like this, and T, keep tools. So now I will have something like this. If I put it here in the center, you can see that the scissors are working. So there is the little parts left to do. And these parts are basically refining this shape. So we don't need this one like that. I'll just cut it out of here. Create it like this, drop it here. And I will definitely F match it with here. Good. Then that lower part should have, I think it's upper, a lot upper here, like this. And this thing definitely should be like this. But I think it should be on a 90 degrees. So yeah, I will match face it. Let me just take it like this, extrude it like this, F, match face, drop it here, delete, delete, Alt H, and drop it to the top somewhere here. Yeah, let's just try it again. So I will take RV, put it in the center, and yeah, it's all working. Only this part is a little bit strange. And this top part is also a little bit strange here. Because it doesn't kind of match here. Yeah, so I will just cut it out a bit and match it to the top. So it should be like this. And it should actually drop there like a river. So yeah, I will move it just a little bit lower. I think it won't affect nothing here. If I will RV make me, yeah, now it's all good. Nothing is wrong here. It's working perfectly. I want to match this by size. So I need to put this one over here. They should be the same. And I want to put this thing like this, like a waterfall here. Right click, and this one like this. So it kind of flows in there underneath this shape. Cool. And now I have it. So RV, put it here, and yeah, check this one. Super cool. This one is also some sort of this thing. I see it. Yeah, like this. And then we will make the top one. Okay. And I definitely think this is on the same level. So it should be a bit different from the side view. It should be like this thing should be over here. Yes. And this one also should be there. So I will just take it and match it to, whoa. No, I'm not gonna match it, I will cut it. Yep. I will just do this line and I will make it a bit larger. Let me hide this part. Okay. Yeah, I need to move it here. And let me just cut it like that. Join it together. C, cut. Okay. Cool. Yep. And now I can drop this one lower and make it match this thing, because if I drop it too low, it will act as a crazy. Let me make it like that. Yes. And I wanna make it like, yeah, I want to take this thing and I want to make it thinner here, because it's the lower part of the scissors. I think they should match here on this side. Yep. And here they can be even a bit more obvious like that. Okay. I can cut it again. To make it like this. Let me hide this thing. Good. And I think, yeah, I need to make this one like that, definitely. To match this part. And this thing, I'm not sure about that. I think it's something like that. And maybe it's like this. But it goes up. Like that. And I definitely need to make this like that. This one should be like that. 100%. Maybe I just need to match it here, and yeah, it will be the thing. I just need to cut it here. Yep. I will take this, Shift D. I will hide this. I will take this. I will do Shift I, imprint it here, X, and now I can F match face with this thing. Perfect. And here we go. The cool thing. But it's not gonna work because I need it to be over here somewhere. Alt H. Yeah, something like this. You know what? Maybe it should be like that. This looks pretty cool. So yeah, it actually make a lot of sense here to do it like this. The only thing that is not want to work is this circle, so I think I will just come on, go here, and just drop it a little bit like that. Yeah, now it should be working. Yeah, I think like that is perfect. Nothing less, nothing more. Let's think that the center here will be in the 3 centers of this line. So one center. Let me find the center here somewhere. This is the center. And the third one is also should be in the center of this. Boom. So it's the true center here. And let's just make it like this. I definitely want to make it bigger. But I can't, or can I? Let me just make it like this and rotate it a bit like that. Okay. And I think RV, yeah, it's going to work perfectly now. Like a charm. Nice. Okay, I will C cut, right click, C cut, right click. Delete the circle and delete these bastards. Oh, I actually need one of them. This one is going off. And this one I need. Get it off here. Let's just make it a bit off, set it. Take this one and drop it here. Nice. And I think I need to offset it here too, just a little bit. Yeah, it's some kind of a, yeah, let's make it a bit bigger. And make it like this. Yeah, so it's going inside a bit. Let's do a center corner box C. And just press C. Move it here. And I will boolean out this portion. Right click, good. Now let's just make it like this. Or better like this. Cool. For some reason it doesn't give me the middle, so I will find it by myself. Okay, Alt X, F, and like this. Good. QQ. Delete it. Alt H. Oh, I'm in isolation mode. Yeah, good. GY just a little bit like this. Let's do it. Let's just bevel these things like that. So they will have nice flow in each other like that. Cool. Okay. And here I need to move it a little bit over there and get rid of this thing. So I will hide this. Oh, cool. I boolean it out. Yeah. That's interesting. Can I just X, X, K? And I will do a F match face over here. And I don't need this one. Already better. I also need to make it a bit different. So I need to match this one. Yeah, I need to drop it lower. First thing first. Take all of this, GZ, GY, make it over here. Definitely need to delete all of these guys with X, just so they not bother. Make this one upper like this and connect it here. Nice. And yes, basically Alt H, and I want this thing. So I want it to be like this. Okay. Let me try it. RV. So yeah, I will put it like that. But I'll move it over here. I will drop this thing somewhere here. And I will extrude it like that. And do my favorite thing, F, match face, and drop it here. Perfect. X. And yeah, I will take this, put it here. GV, move it here. C, cut, right click X. Nice. And make this one a bit fatter. Cool. And now let's do bevels. Like this and this should be similar, I think, like that. As well as these two. Oh, it should be smaller here. Like this. Now let me take these two and make them like this. Cool. The inner part here is cut it out like that. Oh my god, no. GY here. And this thing is like that. Cool. Basically, we're done here. Let me just bevel everything to perfection. And we all set. Like this. Good. Let me do the top here as well, like that. Okay. So yeah, they should be a little bit beveled from the sides, definitely. Just rotate this one like this. Yeah, cool. And yeah, and let's drop this thing there a bit closer to here, so it actually close this one. Should be right in this, almost at the end, like that. There's something weird happening here. Can I just... I think it should be like this. Alt H. Yeah, now it's good. Okay, and this one should be definitely hidden. GX. Oh my god. GX. Nope. Then I will delete this too. X. X. Take this thing. And just make it less bumpier. Even more. Like this. Okay. So it's just a little stopper for the scissors. Yeah, that's pretty much done. This is the scissors. So what else can I do here? I can drop a lot of bevels, juicy ones. And I can tell that this is finished. Let's hide this thing. Let's hide this too. And let's drop some bevels here. Like that. Not so big, just small ones. Yeah, I want to hide this thing. I don't need it right now. Here I don't need. Here I need one like this. Can I have this too? Yep. I want one here. Sharp one. Or I think pretty much the same as this one. Just a bit more. Yeah. Like this. Here I want a bevel too. Like this. Cool. Small one here. and just to have this effect, and one here. Nice. A little one over there. Let me Shift H. One over here. One here. Yeah, to have this. Ooh. Lovely. Basically here should be a little blade. I will do it with this thing, and I will add here a limit and drop it over here, I think. Yep. Right click it to apply and make it like this. And I will do the same from the other one over here. So I will hide this one. Yes. I will hide this one. It should be cutted there. So yeah, let's just take this one and I will just extrude it here a little bit on this side. Good. And now I can boolean it there and have this another razor. Okay. So I will do it. They have some. No, I'm afraid that they have some collisions. So I will basically cut it and then reattach it after I bullet. Okay, Alt H, and now I can just do a Q and T for keep tools. Boolean failed. Q, move it a little bit there. T, and I will GV, put it here back, GX, and move it here. QQ, merge it. H, yeah, now we have some place for razor. This is good. Okay, let me just I will just delete this one. I will move it like that. And this one, cut it here till the end. Yeah, let's actually take this small edge, make it like this, and try to F. Just close this thing and drop it like that. Good. Yeah, Alt H. And now we have the scissors. Here is only one part that bothers me now. This one. Stupid part here. Alt H, so yeah. We'll just make it lower. like that to actually fit it. Okay, nice. Then I will drop it like that. And kick it like that. Okay. Here you have it. Here's your, I don't know, Bauhaus scissors. Let's just drop a couple of these bevels here too. Maybe like this. I'm not sure that I want them from the whole sides, but let's try. It will give us some interesting result. Yeah, not bad, you know. I will leave it like that. Yeah, it didn't affect the blade. That's good. So we can repeat this one over here too. Okay. And the one from here. Oh. What is that? Let's drop it like this. Shift X. Take this. Shift J. Oh. So here is the weird part. What is it? Go away. Yep, and now I can do this juicy bevel here. And I'm golden. Maybe I want a couple of those here and here. Like that. Yeah, nice. Here you go, here you have it. Here's your juicy little asset of scissors. I hope you're doing great, you're modeling cool stuff every day, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye.